Okay, this is the third demo on the adaptive sweep command. Presuming you saw the first two, you understand how I created the spine. So I'm going to move on to creating a sketch profile. On the YZ plane, we'll create a sketch profile. And I'm going to use polygon this time. So we'll create a polygon. Select this center point and move it out to here, but I want 8 sides. So what I'm going to do is under the tool palettes, I'm going to click on this here to make it unhighlighted so I can key in the number. The crazy thing is you got to first click the location and then it will allow you to edit the number, which is really weird. It seems like you should edit the number and then click the location. But I didn't create it, I'm just explaining it. I'll do 8 sides and it creates that polygon. And you'll see when it creates a polygon that there is this center line right here where all the points are hitting. All I have to do is don't auto constrain this, constrain the one curve on the outside. Let's say I made that length, let's go 2-inch diameter. Okay, so when I exit out and go into my ISO view, again, the first 3 demos are just using a ruled direction. I'm going to go into Surface tab, Adaptive Sweep, select this line as my center and guide, the guide curve and the spine, and this is my profile. I'm going to click the third point that I created only, and this point right here is the third from the end, and the last one here. Okay, and what I want to show you is if you have these selected and I go to parameters, I don't have to keep jumping back and forth. You have the parameters you can edit right here on the list. So I'm going to click number 2 and I'll change that one to 2 inches, and I'm going to change number 3 to 2 inches as well. Let's hit preview and see what it looks like. Okay, so this profile here was changed, or is the remaining the start at 1 inch. This one here at that section is going to be 2 inches, and I'm going to make this one 2 inches. So that one's highlighted right now. I'll hit 2 and hit preview, and look at the shape I was able to create there. Alright, so I want you to try and create this one and save that. I want this to be 2 parts, so make sure you name it according to the Word doc, and then we'll do another one with the same profile.